Hello Numberblock fans! In today's video, we're going to build the number blocks from 186 to 190, which is 101 to 200 part 18. It's almost the end now. Well, let's go to the number block 186. And the 100 blocks I've already built. Here are the number block. Here is the number block 100. Well, let's add 86 more to make 186. 186 is made out of 100 blocks, 80 pink blocks, and 6 purple blocks, which means he's made out of 100 plus 86. But he's also made out of 6 lots of 31s, which means he's the calendar with the demon. Cause I love to inspired from the scratch with the number 31 or 31 with the demon. Well, here that's so tired of building the number blocks. There, 80 blocks are finished. Let's attach the 6 blocks more to make 186. There. Here, 186 is finished. Let's attach the face stickers. Ta-da! 186 is finished. The calendar and the pumpkin. The pumpkin to represent that, the Halloween in 31st October. And here is the number link. Here is the finish of the number block 186. Okay, let's move to the number block 187. 187 is made out of 100 plus 87, but that's not all. He's made out of 17 lots of 11s or 11 lots of 17s. That's why he has the eyes which are bigger to each other and the splats on his body. And we're going to build 187 neatly, and the 7 blocks more to make 187. Here is the blocks of 187. Alright, 187 is finished. Let's move to the next character is 188. Alright, for the next character is, 188. 188 is made out of 100 blocks, 80 light pink blocks, and 8 dark pink blocks. Well, 188 is also made out of 4 lots of 47s. Well, 47 is the 15th member of the Prime Club, so which means she's the secret step squad too, but she's not a step squad. She's the fake step squad because she's not the member in the step squad, but she loves to do something like hush hush. But anyways, let's attach the face stickers. Ta-da! Here is the finish of the number block 188. And we pop the number link into her Mathlink Cubes. Let's move to the next character is 189. Next character is 189. 189 is made out of 100 blocks, 80 light pink blocks, and 9 gray blocks, which means she's made out of 100 plus 89. But also 189 is made out of 7 lots of 27s, and also 9 lots of 21s, which means she's the 9th member of the Explorer Club. because you can split into 9 21s. There. Here is the finish 189. Ta-da! Here is the finish of building the number block 189. Let's go to the last character in this video is 190. Last character that we've made today in today's video is 190. 190 is, I hate this situation, falls all the time. Well, 190 is made out of 100 blocks and 90 light gray blocks, which means she's made out of 100 plus 90, but she's also made out of 10 lots of 19s, or 5 lots of 38s, or 2 lots of 95s. But that's not all. She has the step-shaped mask. If someone is a step-shaped mask, should wear shoes too, but except from 55. But I know why 55 doesn't wear shoes too. Well, anyways, the number block 190 has the step-shaped mask, white with the red borders and gray to represent that she's the 19th member of the step-shaped club. Wow. But she's also the crazy shape club too. But she's also the member of the step-shaped club too. This is so tired today. It's the tough day ever. I built 19 by 10 rectangle formation. There, 190 is finished. 10 more till 200. Let's attach the face stickers. Ta-da! Here is the finish of 190. And this is the last character in today's video. So this is the end of this video. If you like it, you can click like, subscribe, and the bell icon for more notification from my new videos. Anyways, see you in the next video. Bye bye.